Hey, Chief. Can you hear me? But you don't. My thing's not live. I am now. There you go. Now I am live. Cool. Hello. Can you hear me? Cool. Dude, I'm the worst streamer ever. But at least I got it going finally. Cool. Futures are down 76, 875, and 11. The futures right now. What's going on, RJB? What you up to tonight? Oh, they really dropped. I was short in the 40s. It's at 26. The futures. Anybody looking at any stocks, dude? I got the screen right here, bros. Here's that LEDS. Not too much. Yeah, I got done with dinner too. Let me show you the chat room for a second, bro. Let me finish that trade. I'll show you. Hey, Hammer Down, what's up? See this trade at 2070? Look at the high, 2094. I'm already up some. I got 4,311 shares at 2052. The last was 69. I'm up 1,900. But then check it out. Here comes the signal right here. At 21. Highs 95. So we're going to play it in anticipation of going right through that. Anticipation, baby. And it's 11:06:38 is the time. 11:06:38, 11:07:03. It came down to 80 again. See that? I'm down $200. And I bought more shares on the dip in anticipation of it going through 21. And look at the time. So the time, move yourself, Mojo. So the time right here was 11:07:03. 11:07.3. This is 11:07:15. Within 12/10ths of a second, it went from 1270 to 21. So if you blinked and didn't believe that the Mojo trade play would go through par, you were wrong. I got a text. I am. So there you go. And then I sold half the position through par, 7,600 shares, realizing 5 Gs, then realizing more. Then as it rolls up more and more and more and more and does it again and again, a la Jesse Livermore, the best traders on Wall Street are obsessed with him because he invented that system where he noticed all of the greatest, biggest winners he's ever had go through 100, go through 200, go through 300, go through 10, go through 20. They go through the even number. And he can't get them fast enough because that's what they do. You guys got any stocks you're going to look at right now? You got any stockeries? What's the futures doing? Sodman, you're going to be back? You have a lot on your plate? All right, well, you should come to the Mojo room, dude. My God, let me hook you up with a free pass to the MOJO Day Trade room. Stop by, dude. There you go. Yo, you guys out there, stop by the MOJO Day Trade room also. There's your free pass right there to the Mojo room. Come click and get in, man. Kidding me? Get your free CVS. I'll take a look for you on CVS, babes. I used to have CVS. Leroyce. Can I show it to you as my swing pick also, why I picked it as my swing? CVS, it's a 3-letter banger. I picked it on 11-1 right here. CVS. So take a look at this one, bros, on my main screen. Let me show you. Take a look at this beauty. It's a beauty. I picked this one in November. Check it out. So, got this one right here, CVS. I picked it on October 30th of 2010. It's right behind my haircut I got today. See that? October on the bottom. Right here, October 30th. That was the day I printed that sucker out. See that? And look at the last quarterly earnings, 40% and 30%. They did 2.6 million versus 1.89 billion. 2.64 billion versus 1.89 billion, a growth of 40%, and COVID was hitting. COVID was hitting. And I liked it right here as a bottom baser at 56. You could see the circles on the bottom. Very strong right here. So if you connect this, into this, put another wheel here. What do you got? You got a freaking dragster, dude. That stock went from 56. And let's take a look at it right now. And they're going to grow from $7.08 in 2019 to $7.52 today. And now, CVS, punching. CVS, punching, is 82, been as high as 94. CVS down here at 82 is looking pretty bleak. It's gone under my webcam. Let's move my webcam over here. So, dudes, let's shift a little bit, shall we? So, dudes, look at this chart. Holy crap, on CVS. It's in the crapper, dude. You know what I would compare it to immediately? Rite Aid. This is on the 5-minute, though. I got to switch to the daily. It looks bad on the 5-minute. Oh, it looks terrible on the daily, too. This is what's going to happen to this whole entire stock market. This chart. This chart right here, here's the entire stock market right here in the first line. And we're about right here right now. We have all that to go, baby. You know what I'm saying? Can I pop out the chat? I can. Look at this, dude. I pop out my chat. So right there is a prime example, man. That's a prime example, dudes. It's at 82 stopping station with a Marubozu close. Flip it the other way. It's green on the way up, and it's about to go through that line and break out. So it's red on that line. It's going to break down. It should go about to 72, 77, which should be about this bar right here. That's 82. Fill into this bar, 78. Fill into the top of this bar right here at 77. Top of this one, 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 77. Here you go. So you have a little bit of downside. And then you have a box here that it'll trade in for quite some time. It's a great stock to do covered call writing on, if you know what that is. Covered call writing. MOJO website. Go to my website, MOJO Day Trading. I've got some great videos in the blog. So let's go to my blog. Oh, everyone can go to my website and get the free level 2 video, my best-selling video for the last 12 years in MOJO University. Yours completely for free. Yes. So here's the blog. Search covered calls. COVERED CALLS. Enter. Loading results. That ain't good. So let's cruise over the other way to the side and go to the tags and search for covered calls right here. Ching. Covered call option strategy. Now, let's say you invest $100,000 into a house, real estate. You listening? Leroyce. Yeah. You listening? Listen up, dude. Listen up. Drop you some nuggies. I'll drop you some nuggies. Did you know that covered calls is the only option strategy that's allowed in an IRA account? You can't buy options. You can't, but you could sell a covered call. So let's say you invest $100,000 into a house. You got to go, man, you got to go and buy the house, the mortgage, the headaches, the renter, and he pays you $1,000 a month. Congratulations. You make 12% annually, $12,000. If no hiccups happen. You bought $100,000 of real estate. So let's say you buy, same thing, $50,000 of CVS at 50 per share, and you get 2,000 shares worth of it, because with 50 grand, you can buy 100 grand worth of stock. Or even if you don't, you put 100 grand into it, it's the same thing. But if you only put 50 in, you collect double the ROI. So you do $100,000 worth of stock, same as the house. The option premium, same thing. You collect $1,000 over the month, same percent, $12,000. Return on the 100 or 24% on the other. Okay? And here's the video on that. Beautiful. I got one video right there. I got the real estate flipper versus the covered call writer. That's a great one right there. The real estate flipper, you both collect rent on day one for the stock. You collect in the premium, but to spend money on day one is the homeowner, is the guy who wants to do the real estate flipping. He's the flipper. Small time value, small money, small work, small risk, big return. That's the covered call. Dude, I've got a lot of them on here, bro. There's a lot of great blog posts on covered calls. You should check that out on my MOJO Day Trading website. Yeah, thanks for letting me talk about CVS. I had that one, dude. Down when COVID was going on. With the COVID. I had the COVID. I hear a lot of guys talking about EMAs, VWAPs. You know what those are? EMA, exponential moving average. I use these bands. See the top band? That one's called these are called Bollinger Bands. This is your moving average line. See, it's below the moving average. Here, it was nice and above chairlift into rail grind. Now it's not looking too good. That's the CVS. This is the DOS Trader platform. Very nice platform. Yes, baby. Let's take a look at my fusion. You know, you guys don't want to chitter chatter around, man. Do a little trading. You don't want to do some talking. Where is my, there it is. Well, we came back up on them futures. Alrighty. Moving on up. Futures are again. Moving on up. Futures are again. They were. I just did one good trade. Oh, that's good. Did a good trade. Thanks, man. Just nailed the top on that short right here on the futures. Just nailed that red top right there. Beautiful. Anybody else want to look at any stocks, man? Futures are down 950.77. Got the swing newsletter coming out tonight. Been working on them picks. Congratulations, John Rahm. Congratulations, all you fathers. For Father's Day. I'm now live on my YouTube. It went live. Oh my gosh. La-di-da-di-da. Mojo's overwhelmed with the buy, sell, and holds. Nothing? Got some good picks tonight for the Mojo Swing Trade newsletter. Alright, work on my newsletter. Mini Hines in this one, $5.41. Wish is a good stock. Been in the news a lot. Wish. Zach Morris owns Wish. Zach owns Wish. Right here, I wish for Zach Morris to make an audiobook. Wish, 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 wish. They make products like this. Some crazy stuff. Wish. So he's on it. He likes it. Buy Wish stock before it joins GMA, a retail favorite. Wish. Okay, he's also in AHT, which he didn't get out at 7 when he was up 2 milli. Right here, when it was $7.79, it's now $5, and he didn't sell it. And you do your own trading, dude. I bought this at $2.83 for the Swing Trade newsletter. It parabolicked up on a lemon squeeze to $7.79. Told him he was up 2 milli. He even liked the tweet. And there you go. That's when the time to take the profit. He even said it, dude. When you're happy, you sell, and when you're sad, you buy. But he didn't sell and follow his own thing. Let me show you. This may be it.
For my neighbors, I'm the beauty and the beast. And your baby.
He's the beauty and the beast. Wasn't it? So when you're happy, you, this may be it. No.
Today's Saturday, guys. Enjoy your time with your family, friends.
Great, great. But anyway, that's him, and he didn't do it. So myself, me, he was up 2 milli right here on June 8th. I said, Zachy, you're up 2 milli on AHT. He actually liked it right down here. And that was the time we were happy, man. But didn't sell none of that. Didn't sell none of that. And now he's in Wish. And Wish the other day, everybody, it went up to 15. And he didn't sell it. A lot of people bought it. Imagine buying it at 15. You wish it goes back up. It's at 1085 to 12 range. It's got to break 1210, 1250, and 1192, and the top of this bar, which is 1220. If it does, it will squeeze up through the 15. But if it doesn't, it's heading back down to $7. And that's what goes on with the Wish. Has nothing to do with any of their products or anything like that. It really doesn't. Has nothing to do with that. This is its zone. You know why? Wish sucks. Because this guy is waiting for it to go up to break even. This guy is, he is, and every single person, as soon as it goes up, every single penny is their break even and they're going to sell. So I'd rather have a stock where there's no sellers above. This has a seller all the way up, all the way up to the top. It's a piece of crap. In my opinion. And I do the buy, sell, and hold. Dude, I never heard of Grom before. It must be like a new stock or something like that. Grom. Never heard of it before. Is anybody on it on Twitter? Grom. Grom. Nope. Well, yeah, 180 tweets in the last hour on Grom. It's a something, nothing, silly nothing. What is it? Is it even a stock? Grom Social Enterprises. Okay, yeah, social media, $3. Grom. I like it. Average volume's 47,000. It's trading 358. Social Draw Animation subsidiary ramps up production for demand and content in the post-pandemic world. Correct. I like it. Because Elon Musk is doing a lot of Grom shit. Dude, look. He's into that. Where is he? Where's Elon, dude? Did he get suspended from Twitter? Dude, where's Elon? We'll just get him out of a tweet. Right here. So look at his tweets like the other day. I saw him the other day. Where is it? No. It was before that. It was right around here. Oh, where was it? I think it was his profile picture. Oh, this is Elon Musk the second. What? This is him, though. He changed his thing and changed his profile picture. But the other day, it was different. It was one of those Grom kind of like pictures. Let's see what this is. We don't want progressive.
Compass. Let's see if I can make a sundial for my sign.
It's 4:30.
Switch to progressive and you can save hundreds.
Ad's long.
Clients.
Another ad.
Make sure that with the. That's what I think.
Another ad. Forget about it. 3 ads in a row, dude. 3 ads in a row. Top animation draw. And a site that does this, that is my most favorite website, is Cointelegraph. Look at their animations, dude, on all their pictures. They're so awesome, dude. I love them. Crypto finance company Amber Group valued at $1 billion following a 100 million raise. Look at the picture. Isn't that cool, dude? I love that kind of animation. Here's top draw. Really? It's not working too well. I can feel the funk. Can you feel the funk? Alright, so that's a good one. I'll look into that. Thank you for the Grom, Joe. Oh yeah. Fill me now. I like the Grom. I'll write that down. Grom. What else you got there, Joe? You got some ETTX. Intasis Therapeutics, 278, average volume. They introduced first class candidate, World Microbe. They did a private placement. No thank you, sir. See this? A lot of people got a lot of stock. They're going to do a little pump. Probably going to do a pump. How long ago was it? In May, June, July. Not close enough. But yeah, maybe in another month. And maybe as it gets closer to 3. It'll gain like a 48 million shares and they'll sell all the stock and they'll do all their things. So that's another decent one to keep an eye on. Add it to the watch list. There you go. Pink. What was the other one? Grom. Let me add that to my watch list too. Grom. Done. Those are 2 good ones. Cool. I'll give you one now because you shared one with me. HBP. It's coming out in my newsletter tonight, Joe. Let me show it to you. It's called Huttig Building Products. This year they're going to do a loss of 84 cents. And in 2020, a making of 39 cents. So they went from losing $1 to making half a dollar. And look at the last 3 quarters. They did 184 million, and then they did 214 million. The last quarter was a 999% increase in their earnings per share. That thing sticks out like a sore thumb. The quarter before, 103%. It's at a 97 relative strength. It's going to go for the first circle right here at $5.63 and then $7 with a nice base here at $4.56. 27.4 million in the float, 25% owned by funds. Pretty as can be. No one in the whole world knows about this stock. Zach, Jason, Claude, Max, Chico, Manana, whatever your name is, if you're a guru, you don't have never heard of this stock before. And if you ever come out with it in the next week, you watched my show, you're in my newsletter, and you love that pick. Because no one ever heard of that one before. You heard of Gurn. Gurn's going to be all over everyone's radar tomorrow. It's at $1.83. It traded 3,888% increase in its volume. 348 million traded versus 1.7 million. This thing could be a rocket ship through $2, heading through the top circle of 235. Mojo swing. Just for you, Joe. I got 2 more in there no one has ever heard of. Ever. In my newsletter tonight. Yeah. HBP. And Gurn. But I got 2 other ones in there. You've 3 or 4 other ones. You've never heard of the symbol before or what they do. And you're like, I can't believe that, dude. That's amazing. Dude, that last freaking pick, I missed a bit. I should have stayed in it, dude. Look, I shorted it right there, dude. It went all the way down there, homies. It was in a good trade, dudes. Gurn's good one for tomorrow. If you want to join the Swing Trade newsletter, you get the other ones. Yeah. Get the other picks, dude. Join the newsletter, bro. Yeah, HBP's hot one. Current. It's going to move. You want another one? I'll post that on StockTwits. My newsletter. This is going out tonight, my newsletter. Gurn. I'll post that on StockTwits. Right there, Gurn. For everybody. It's a 620 Mojo Swing Trade newsletter pick. I'll post that one up there because they're my boys from StockTwits. Check out my profile on StockTwits, guys. I'm telling you, it's good stuff. 14,026 now on them futures. Really dropped down, dude. Damn. Dude, I miss trades, but I don't do that. My screen ain't switching. Bitch. There we go. Look at that. I just posted that Gurn right there on my StockTwits, dude. What was that other one I gave you? HBP? I'll post this one too on there. That's what you do. You go and you put a dollar sign in front. I didn't do that on the last one, and then it makes up the company right there. I put bullish. See that? Dude, them futures keep on going lower, dude. God damn. Subscribe to my channel, dude. See how fast I did that? HBP, boom. I hook up my people, dude. I hook up. Look at that. I started on StockTwits July 12th of 2012. That's when I started MOJO Day Trading chat room. My first trader that I ever met on StockTwits is still with me in the chat room. You'll see him tomorrow, Pro Trader Allen. How awesome is that? Ooh, that was a big rise. Big rise back in them futures from 22 all the way to 32. Should I take the trade? Take the trade? Take the trade? Take the trade? 32. Hold, hold, hold. Should I? Should I? Should I? Should I? Should I? Yes! I took the trade. I'm in at 32. Taking the trade live in the futures. Live in the futures. Here's the trade update right here. I'm in. I'm in. I'll take $35 right there. I'll take that. All right, 30. I'll take 30. I'll take 30, which is 30 bucks. I'm about to get hit. 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 Boom, out, baby. That's how Mojo rolls. That's how Mojo rolls. Look, Mojo's out. Mojo's out, went to 28, baby. Mojo be right out. Now it's back at 31. Now it's back here. Now it's back at 32. Doing it again. 32 in. In at 32, Mojos. Look. In at 32, gonna cover down there for another like 35 bucks, 40 bucks. Guess what? Boom. Covering. Filled, covered, 2 trades in a row live in the Mojo room. There you go. Ching ching, flat out again. Chang wang. Nailed it. Thank you. See, always trading, always catching ideas, doing the rhyme, doing the reason, as I'm posting on my favorite StockTwits. What's better than that? What guru that's giving you ideas and going through your picks on YouTube tonight is throwing out live trades for you to make money? You know who? You know how many? 0. Because there are none.
For the last time, no, N-O.
No. Brooks. Yo, Brooksy. Are you in the Mojo newsletter, Mr. Pro Golfer? Do you love the picks? Do you love them? Yeah, that's what I like. What a drop that was in them. Autoclease. No way. How do I determine what my profit target should be when trading the NQ? That is the easiest question. Already down to 14.024, but it jumped right back up to 027, 028. My main man, my main stain. You want to know that answer? So freaking easy, dude. Let me show you. Let me show you, homie. Ready? I'll catch it for you like a clean champion. Ready? Watch. Bink. Get in again, baby. Shorten like a champ. All right, now watch. Fill in, taking the 35. Taking the 35 right there. Woohoo! Filled. Take me, baby. Done. Filled. Now, Mojos. Let me tell you something. It didn't even move. Out. Now, watch. 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 Here's how I trade the futures. You ready? I do one lot. I did it right here. I did one lot. Right there at that cross. One lot. Now, if it went all the way up to here, I would do one more. Okay? And then if it came down to about right here in the even, I would break even. I'd hold one to maybe make this much, but I would never look for it to come back down to there, ever. Okay? So, I get in here, 1. If it goes here, what is this, 30? I'd go 32, 2 points higher. I'd put in number 2. When it came back down to here, I'd break even. I'd try to make a little bit on the second one. And I would trade it in this higher box that it's in right there. However, as soon as I did it, which is most of the time, it goes down in this lower box where I'm immediately up $30 to $40. And if I came to you and you said, hey, Mike, and I just handed you $30, would you say, yo, I'm too busy, I'm trading, man. I think I'm going to go to the next guy and get $50 or even more? Or would you take that money? You take the money. Now, you did it once. Do it again, you're at your daily goal. Do it again, you're above your daily goal. Done for the day. Done for the day. 3 trades, doesn't matter where NQ is. It's a timing thing. I do one right here, watch. It's so simple, bros. It'll blow your damn mind. Watch. I did the first one here. I do the next one 2 points higher. I stop out right there. Done. I lost. Now I retraded in this box up here where I lost. Done. Done. That's it, baby. That's it, baby. Where are we looking now? We're looking at 26, 27. Let her rise on back up. I'll time her like a champ. Coming on down like a chomp.
You nailed it.
That's right.
Could I please more sorry?
Nah, it's all good. What's she gonna do now? Trying to make them Benjis, baby. So that's what I determine my profit target should be, Autoclease. I take 25, 50, 75, 100. I do it a lot of times, bro. You know what I'm saying? Get ready, we'll do it again. Live auto trading on the Autoclease. How you say your name? Autoleacus. Something. Oh, we're rising 28, 29, baby. She crests the 30 number. I do it every day on them QQs, Mister, I do it every day on them QQs. Dude, it's smashing the like button if you like trading the NQQs, baby. Come on, women out there. Come on. Let me show you. Give you the power. Like that in the stock market. You women out there. Come on, I'll show you. Show you what a stock is, show you how to buy a stock, show you do what a futures are, show you everything, man. All like the Hulk does. That's what I do. 27 on the futures, rising up, 28, 29. Think she's going to break 30 and surprise everyone, go right through the top of 33. Or drop below 21. One of the two. It's going 5 points higher or it's going 5 points lower. One of the two. What's Elon doing? He ain't doing shit. All right, we're going lower. We're at 25. We went lower to 23, to 22, to 21. Oh, we jumped right back up. Holy crap, to 28. Woo! Was that a big jump, huh? Wow. That thing jumped like a jumping romp from 21 to 30, dude. That was like a 10-point futures jump. Damn. Glad I wasn't in that one. Whew. Man, I can't wait to trade tomorrow. Gotta have caution on them markets, man. What's them futures at? Look, I got the Mojo room, dude, on StockTwits for the community. I'm gonna help develop the most amazing community and get everyone so profitable on StockTwits from using the Mojo systems. The Heinz system for day trading, the Ken Slim system for swing trading. I got the Mojo room right there, dude. See? Mojo Day Trade chat room right there. Day trading, top volume Momo stocks, swing trading, small cap stocks, futures trading NQ and ES. I got to add in the crypto. I do the crippies too. Love them crippies. Where's them futures trading right now? Down 84 on the Dow. Down 8.25 on the S&P. And down 4.25 on the NASDAQ. At 14,030, ready to break under 14,000. And go to 13,777. Now, last time it did that, it went to 13,000 and dropped 1,000 points. Where do you think the NASDAQ's going? If it's anything like the S&P, it's holding up. S&P may drop 145 and go under 4,000. Yep. Oh, we just got a big drop in the NQ. Oh, my mama, Zamiti Machinko Lohoya. Ho! Ring that. Register, I'd say. Oh, my, is this thing all over the place? Whoo! We're going to test 14,000 now. The volatility is back. But you know what? Right now, you're driving blind, dude. Right now, you're gambling. If you're in NQ right now, in this chart right now, and you're like loving the volatility and trading, you're a full-time junkie gambler. 100%. With no system and no clue, and eventually variance will get you. You got no system to trade. If you're trading in these bars, there is absolutely no way you can win because variance is going to get you. And in this game, variance is a killer variance. You know what variance is? Let me show you. Variance in poker and trading. So variance, how to reduce your variance in poker, is also known as downswings. It's essentially a period of bad luck. The difference between how much you expect to win on your win rate over the long run and the short-term results. And there's variance in trading. Right here. The variance returns to the statistical measurement of the spread between the numbers in a data set, depicted by both sets of analysts right here. Is variance good or bad for stocks? Variance is neither good nor bad for investors in and of itself. However, high variance in a stock is associated with risk along with higher return. A 30-year-old blah, 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 but that's variance. And you run into it all the time. So if you trade and you really got no system, you don't know where SQQQ is, dude. What price is it at right now? How big is the bid? How big is the ask? You have no idea. You're driving blind in the night with no street lights. It's difficult, dude. It really is difficult. But I'm really excited to trade for tomorrow. So with that said, thanks for everybody for watching the Mojo Show. You take care. I'll see you all in the morning. I send out the newsletter, and thank you so much. Peace. Keep it profitable. And I'll see you in the Mojo chat room on the next trade. Later, guys. You know trading's risky and you can lose all your money. And, you lose all your money trading. Most people do because you look at charts and EMAs and all the kinds of stuff, which, dude, gives you no purpose, no rhyme, and no reason. That's why you're on these shows asking what CVS or JP Morgan or Neo's doing, because you got so much of a stock and a position, you only think it goes higher, and you're down in it. And stocks are the biggest pieces of crap ever. I hate them all. They all stink. The only good ones are the ones that go up, and I hate being bullish. I hate being bearish, but I like being right. So with that said, peace. Keep it profitable later.